So guys, for today's video guys ay maglalaro tayo ng Berry Prison pero alien version. Kita niyo siya, ayun siya guys. Look at him. Alien Berry. I call them Alien Berry. Tapos, yeah. Sorry pala guys na hindi na ako nakapag-post ng video dahil, yeah. Ba't hindi ko magdala yung screen ko? Kaya pala dito sa leaderboard. Kaya, yeah. Start na natin to para mabilis. Kaya parang ba dito umalis ng toilet. Ano to? Oh, dito pala guys. Kaya dito, guards only. I don't need that. Okay. Wow. Ibig sabihin guards na ako, di gumana yun. Baka iwanan ako guys. Baka iwanan ako nun. Kaya magmandali nga ako. May CCTV Kung may nakakita sa akin. What? Sumulutang ka? O naglalag lang ako? What? Hindi ko alam guys, pero baka lumulutang lang siya o naglalag. O ako. Hindi ko alam, pero kaya ko jump. Nice. Nice. Doon. Okay. Nice one. Maganda din pala tong alien Dito wala. Ano to? Ba yung kanina? Guards only pero nakapunta ako. Nakaka-progi guys, nakakalito. Ba dito makahanap dito? Okay. Oops, ba mamatay ako? Get this. Okay, nasan? Nakuha ko na ba? What? Oh, here. Wow, look at me, Shing. I'm fighting for justice. Justice. Oh yeah. Oops. Munti ka na dahil kay justice. Para kay justice to. Justice. Okay. Justice. Okay. I'm ready to fight. Okay, I'm ready to fight, man. Shing. Ito ba o dito? Okay, may arrow. Okay, what is that sound? Pero justice. I put this and fly. Okay, but justice. Okay, ano dito? May habol sa akin. No! Berry. You can touch me, Berry. Saan ba ako? Dyan ako galing guys. Ganun na, pero justice. Bakit dito? Nice one. Click this. Click that. Okay. Run ulit tayo kay Berry Alien. Okay. Run. You cannot touch me. Okay, go. Nice one. Click this. No. Guys, naiwan ako guys. Oh my god. Ito ko naiwan. Stuck ako yung okay, unlag. Bigla ako naglag. Dito dahil yung may arrow. I'm from justice. Tung sa. Okay. Tanong dito. Sabi na, diba? Talino ko talaga. Diba? Shortcut. Washing. Kahit wala akong chok. Okay, talon. Nice. Hindi ka na ako mag-hit ng ground pero I didn't. Yes, I'm pro. Okay, I'm lagging. For justice. Op. Careful. Kasi, munti ka na mahulog doon. Oops, jump. Nice one. Op, hanggang. Okay. Justice. Nice. For justice. I'm fighting for justice. Whee! Para gumagana yung pagtatalon. Okay. Chok. Nasa sewer na tayo guys. Washing. Oh my god, may dirty alien dito guys. I called him now dirty alien with Berry Alien. That I called him. Okay. Come here. Dirty alien. You're dead. Come here too. Haha. They're so easy. I'm climbing. Alam ko tataas. Dahil dun sa first, diba? Tumaas. Ngayon bumagal. Bumaba. Okay, pala ko tatanong doon. Oh, okay, muti ka na. Kasi I'm fighting for justice. Oh my god, may sewer ulit. Kanina pa yung tubig doon. Hindi ko alam eh. Wee! O diba? Ang galing ko. Wop, wop, wop. Wow! Wow! Umano lang ako guys dahil napawaw ako dahil wow! Ang ganda ng laro. Yan. Wala nang iba pa. Oh. Bigger electric pa. Akala ko dito dadaan tayo may hagdan. Ano dadaan? Dito? Oh, dito. Talino ko talaga. Oh, wait. Ay. Ano naman nandito? Na naman pala nandito. Muna pa ako dito. Wait, nasa na ba yung ano ko? To bacon. For justice. Using. Oh. 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 Hey, yo. Oh, dito pala. I don't have my justice. Using. Oh. Kala ko kataas kaya. Using. I'm eating bacon with my hair bacon. Yeah. Ano naman to? Oh, sasakay. Uy, I'm fighting for justice. Yeah. I like tungtung sahur. Okay. Sasakay. Oh, kami. Dirty alien, you're dead to me. Haha. Dug. Pow. Oh, money. Money. I'm now Mr. Crab from Patrick. Wait, hit this. Oh no, I break in, but I don't get this dirty, Zlipper. I get some Zlipper for justice. Okay. Oh. Huh? How's that even possible? Let's go again, Zlipper. Go, come on, dude. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I need to perfect timing it. Okay, guys, perfect time. Oh. Paano mahulog ako? Pero nahulog ako sa kanya. Okay, wala lang yun. I'm fighting for justice. Yo. Zone 2Z. C2. Dirty bacon. I mean, dirty alien. Tuloy. Ito. Yun nasa taas ko, guys. Yan o. Kita nyo? Okay. Ano yun dito? Oh. Hey, alien. How are you, alien? You're dead. 30. Oh! Did you guys see that I flied for a second kasi I'm fly. Guards only pero mamaya makakaput tayo dyan. Ano ba? Panis. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ito yung boss ko, guys. May sipon kasi ako. Okay. Jump here. Let's go. Okay. Oops. Gets ko na diba? Kita nyo yung sa taas, guys. Ang ano pala to. Dito pala yung sword. Oh! Okay, guys. Tulog lang mula ako saglit. Oh. Buha ako na ito. Napagod pumatay na. Dirty alien. Oh, tignan mo. Papatay na ako. Yellow HP. Nakaka-damage pala yun. Oh! Coca-Cola. Okay. Candy. Oh! Candy. With a Coca-Cola. Okay. Ano ito kumuha? Busting ko hindi. Okay, dito. Oh! Portal! I'm going to Nether, guys. Nether! Oh! Nether nga, guys. Look. Nether. Kamukha siya ng Nether. Diba? Talino ko. Sabi na Nether eh. O baka hindi siya Nether. Pero kamukha eh. Alam nga nung una, normal lang. Para nasa prison pa rin ako. Pero nasa Nether na pala ako. Okay, dito. Oh, dito ata hanggang to. Oh, that's impossible. Blue wires get into a ladder. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, I see the prison. Oh, I'm killing you, dirty bacon. I mean, my god. Dirty alien. Finally. Boss. I'm the only boss here. No one can defeat me. But my mom can defeat me, okay? Get ready to die! Parang ano lang ito, guys. Go! Go! Oh! Don't crush with me. Don't crush into me. Oh! Money! I got some money. Oh! Portal! I'm going back to normal world. Parang sa Minecraft. Kasi na-fight ko na justice. I found the justice with my dragon. Oh! Patawad ko ato. Oh! Go through! It go through! Oh! Oh! Okay, huh? Howdy, partners! This is your first day on the job. Capture players and earn cap coin. Capture lots of player and get... Okay, anong not care? Hey! Look at him, guys! He's classic. Makarena. Okay. Okay, guys, kung gusto nyo pala tong video na to ay wag nyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para alam nyo kung may bago ako video. Kaya guys, bye-bye.